Dear student, welcome back to our NIEPS home school. Hope you are safe and sound at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English National School, morning shift. Dear student, today I am going to take your I.C.T class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is short question answer from chapter 3. So let's get started our class. Class 6 subject I.C.T, topic short question answer, chapter 3. Number 1, write 5 similarities between the real virus and the computer virus. Answer: similarities between the real virus and the computer virus are given below. Number 1, when the real virus attacks our body, we become sick and lose our ability to work. Computer virus also loses its ability to work. Number 2, the real virus can spread from the body of one person to another person. Similarly, computer virus can spread from one person to another one. Number 3, the real virus is capable of regeneration in human body. A computer virus can also regenerate numerous viruses. Number 4, the real virus uses human body as its home. In the same way, computer virus makes a computer as its home. Number 5, the real virus attacks the body without the person's knowledge. In the same way, the computer virus attacks the computer without everyone's knowledge. Now come to the question number 2. Which factors should be taken care of for the safest use of computers? Answer: for the safest use of computers, we should be concerned about the electric connection mostly. It will be electric, E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C. Okay. We should not connect the wires to the plug when it is opened. Besides the electric connection, we should also look after the airflow system of the computer, because the processor of the computer turns into very hot when it works. So the internal temperature of the computer is much higher than the external temperature. The internal fan of the computer takes the hot air outside the computer and brings the cool air from the outside to the inside. So it must be ensured that the way of entrance and bringing out of air should not be closed. By ensuring those factors, computers will run well for a longer period. So today here are given 2 questions. You have to learn these questions at home. Today's homework number 5 and topic short question answer 1. So at first you have to learn these questions at home and do your homework and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.